Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to move emails to folder in Gmail using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for gmail.com. Okay. So by the way, this tutorial is a very quick and easy tutorial. Just make sure that you watch every step that I will make here, okay? Or I will do here. So now once you search for gmail.com, just go ahead and log in your account. And here as you can see, I have different kinds of folder right here. So what you need to do next is to just go ahead and click on the plus sign here. Then just go ahead and enter a new name that you want. So I'm just gonna do one. So this is a random word. So now just go ahead and click on the create button. Okay. So now as you can see, the one folder is now right here, right? So if you want to move a specific emails from your inbox to this folder, what you need to do is to just go ahead and select the email that you want to move. So let me just go ahead and select any Shopify emails that I have. So for example, this three, okay? So what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on this label icon here at the upper part of your screen. Click on that and choose any or choose the folder that you where you want to put these emails. So I'll be choosing this one, okay? One folder. And after that, if you want to remove this on your inbox, what you need to do is to just go ahead and select the emails and click on the archive button here at the upper part of your screen. So now as you can see, the Shopify emails are now removed here on my inbox zone. So, or section, I'm sorry. And if you want to view the Shopify emails, what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on this folder and you should see all of your Shopify emails right here. Okay, so that is how you do it. So if you have any questions about this tutorial, just go ahead and comment them on the comment section below. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.